How to log into LoanDepot Mortgage Account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over here, type in LoanDepot Mortgage Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, LoanDepot Login, open it. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the username, then type in the password. If you want to save your username, check in for the option of Remember My Username. Then agree with the terms and conditions. In the case you have forgotten the password or the username, you can click on these options given at the bottom to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on the option of Login, and with that you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered your account yet, click on this option of Register Your Account and go through the account creation process. So this way you can easily log into a LoanDepot Mortgage account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.